Lucifer's problem was arrogance that led him to lose humility, his position and my point of view and the purpose of my ideal of creation. The arrogance and hedonism are humanity's greatest problems, because even your religious sphere has been invaded by these two problems of people. Many historical people have this problem and at the end said to others, "I know and you don't know. God spoke to me and not to you. I can with God and you can't. Therefore at the end, you need me to reach God. God speaks only to me and told me to communicate to you, to reveal to you. You can only know God through me." Even the greatest religious figures of history, since they themselves lived in a world that was not mine, moved in the world with their unique knowledge of me and my will, and projected a photocopied handbook to realize my ideal, which is good for every person, by stifling the faith and relationship in their personal followers with me. The heavenly arrogance that allows people to fight and resist versus Satan to evil, it is good, but it can often result in the heavenly arrogance of elevating of oneself and one's family and to take pleasure in their heavenly arrogance of being the only one who can understand me, and who knows something that others do not know or cannot know and I myself cannot let them know. You and everyone other will be able to never reach your true final value and realize your three blessings centered on me, if you maintains this attitude of false heavenly arrogance, and also you risks a great separation from me, by creating your own hierarchy and adoration. One of Satan's greatest weapons to destroy the religion and spirituality in humanity is religious idolatry, favored by false heavenly arrogance. Anyone can risk a great separation from me in that. Arrogance, it is the problem of many historical figures, people of great research and justice, but, because in their determination and character of perseverance against Satan and evil forces, however, they develop also their own false heavenly arrogance, towards me and towards others.